Namaskar and hello. I'm Kesavan, working with IPL Biologicals Limited, formerly known as International Panacea Limited. Our company is a leader in biological solution for agriculture. We have been serving farmers for over 25 years through biological solutions. IPL Biological Limited has world-class technology and innovation center based at Gurgaon, India. We have provided over 50 biological products and have 70 new innovative products in the pipeline. We are committed to help farmers increasing their yield, helping to improve their lives by finding agriculture solutions through harnessing the power of microbes. Today, we are going to discuss about one of the widely used microbes, that is Beauveria bassiana. Let us know first about these microbes. So, Daman, it is a bioinsecticide product from IPL containing Beauveria bassiana with a high CFE count. So it is available both in powder and also in liquid formulation. So in the powder formulation, it has 1 into 10 to the power of 9 cells per gram, whereas in liquid formulation, it is 2 into 10 to the power of 8 cells per ml. So it means 100 crore of viable cells are in 1 gram of Daman, and in liquid formulation there will be 20 crores of viable microbial cells in 1 ml of Daman. So let us see how it works and what are the benefits of. Beauveria bassiana conidia infect the insect skin by penetrating and lysing the epicuticle. So once the inside the insect it grows and releases toxin beauvericin and oosporin that weakens the host immune system. So eventually the entire body cavity is filled with the fungal mass. So insect before succumbing to fungal infection exhibit various symptoms including restlessness, cessation of feeding and loss of coordination. So Daman is highly active on lepidopteran pests and also caterpillars including helicoverpas, podoptera, borers, semiloopers and hairy caterpillars of vegetable and fruits. Now we will see how to use Daman and what will be the dosage. So for soil application, soil insect pests like white grubs, termites, agrotis species, etc. mix 2 gram of Daman with 50 kg of well decomposed farmyard manure compost or field soil and broadcast in the field of 1 acre land at the time of field preparation or in a standing crop. So for foliar spray, mix 2 kg of Daman in 150 to 200 liters of water for spraying in the standing crop at the time of appearance of the insect pest. So for soil application, soil insects like white grub, termite, agrotis species, etc. mix 1 ml of 1 liter of Daman L with 50 kg of decomposed farmyard manure, compost and field soil and broadcast it the field at the time of field preparation or in the standing crop. For foliar spray, mix 1 liter of this Daman L per acre in 150 to 200 liters of water for spraying in the standing crop at the time of appearance of the insect pest. So now what are the crops we can use both? So we can use Daman on vegetables, especially brinjal, potato, fruits and plantation crops. So now we can see the several types of microbes available in the market. But why Daman is more special is it has a history of 25 years of intensive study and research, and also it has a very high quality virulent strains. So it also belongs to IPL family, which has been working in the biological sector for 25 years and will continue to serve in the farmer in this area for the next several years. So this product is certified by IMO, Indocet, and also it is registered under Central Insecticide Board. It is called CIB in India. So whenever you go and buy Beauveria bassiana or similar insecticide, microbial insecticides, you make sure that the product is certified by this institution and registered by CIB. Thank you.
है ये हमारा वादा, खेत सुरक्षित फसल ज्यादा।